Alright, you are welcome to today's tutorial. And this is Naija Price Crazy Tips. Here we talk about how to make money online. So anything concerning how to make the cash, how to make the moolah, how to hustle, how to make the money online in the biggest way. Here we talk about that. Here we share the update. So and that's the reason why you will need to subscribe to this channel so that anytime I drop a video like this, YouTube will kind of suggest this kind of video to you so you can watch it and then follow the update. And today I'm going to show you how you can promote your mobile app. And here, we do talk about how to create mobile app, but today I'm about to show you how you can promote your mobile app. It's very simple, and you're not going to spend a dime. Like, I'm going to show you the best way which you can promote your app without spending a dime. Then the only thing that is required from you is that you must make sure that your app has problem that it can solve. Like, it's very very nice to people. You understand? And before this particular strategy, which I'm about to tell you now, will work out for you. Now, without wasting much of our time, I would like to show you the best way which you can go so you can get this done the accurate way it's supposed to be done. Now, the number one, we are going to talk about ASO. I think most of you should know what is called ASO. That is a kind of optimization which you give your app during the time you are uploading your app to Play Store. You understand? So you just need to make sure you give your keywords very well to your app when you are listing it on Play Store. That is the best promoter. I call it best promoter because it helps you to it will help your app to get recognized, and anytime someone searches something that are related to that your app will also pop up, and then Play Store will recommend that your app to people, and from there you make more downloads. All right. Now, number two, write blog post review of your app. All right. You should understand that whenever you create an app, you have to make a blog post review of that your app. If you don't know how to make a review of app, you can pay bloggers for them to do that for you. All right. You can contact bloggers, or you can do that yourself, because here we are focusing on not spending money on this promotion. So you just need to do this one by yourself. Just calm down, write it down. Up to 1k word is okay. All right. Then you can then start sharing those that post on social media, something like TikTok, Facebook, your WhatsApp status, and rest of them, and you will going to gain more installation. All right. Now, the third one is contact Facebook page and group admins for promotion. Now, when we talk about contacting Facebook pages and the group admin for them to promote your app for you, there are some certain things that which you have to bear in mind before you try this. Number one, you must make sure that the particular page or group rhymes with the niche of your app. All right, there is no way you have a mobile application about um let's say live stream. Let's just say all this football stuff. You understand? And you go and contact um page admin that focused on entertainment. Sorry, on, let's say something like Astera, AdMob stuff. Are you getting it? It's not going to work. The person might not even listen to you, and even if the person tries to do that for you, you're not going to make any download, because the audience within that page or group is not the same thing with in fact they are not going to, they're not unique at all. They are not going to work. It's not going to work at all. It's not going to work. Are you getting it now? So make sure if your app is talking about game, like football stuff, then whenever the particular pages or groups that you'll be contacting should be about that same game. You understand? So that whenever the admin posts the URL of your app within that page or group, you are going to make a massive installation free. So this particular one, you're not going to pay anybody. It's not, nobody is going to collect any money from you. All right. So you can just try that. It's going to work for you. So then, how do you do that? Now I'm going to take you to my phone and then go. Let's go to Facebook and okay. Let's go to Play Store first. Play Store here. We are here now on Play Store, and let's pick um any of this app here and then work on it. Okay, let's just talk about um okay, let's talk about this app, Gucci Jennifer. You can see this app right here, this Gucci Jennifer song 2022. You can see this app here, and this app is all about entertainment. When you check this image here, you're going to see that it's all about entertainment. Here Gucci latest songs, Gucci songs lyrics, Gucci, all this kind of a thing. This is just basically for Gucci. All right, then for you to promote this particular app using this particular method which you are talking about contacting the Facebook pages or group admin for them to promote this app for you, what you just need to do is you go straight to Facebook and you search for Gucci Jennifer Jennifer. Okay, you can see this is the fan page right here, and this is up to 20k members here in this group. All right, so what you just need to do right now is to locate the page admin. You know, to get a page admin is that very hard, but I'm going to show you how to do it. Once you get to the group, this is group right now. Once you get down here, then you click on this arrow here. It's going to take you down here, and then yeah, now we're going to click on members. All right, when you click on members, then here is the admin of this group, Okereke Ikechukwu. You can see this young man, and this is the admin of this group. So you can just contact with him here right here, and that's all. You can just contact him. Hi, I'd like to promote my app on your Facebook group, on your Facebook group. Okay. Please, I will be waiting for your reply or for your response. Then you send this to this person. You understand? Once you send it down, but you just try to make your own very nice. I just this one is just a tutorial. So whenever you're typing to someone, you have to scrap the content in a way that it's going to look very nice. All right, then you approach the person in a way that the person will not bill you, like start asking you of money that you're going to pay some amount of money. All right, so that is just how to do this, how to kind of promote your app on Facebook page and group. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you the fourth method which you can use to promote your app, which is contacting YouTube channel or vloggers to make a review of your app. Then how do you do that? This is simply going to YouTube. When you get to YouTube, right, then maybe you search something related to your mobile app, assuming that you have something like an application about
Hey guys, what's up?
let's say, let's go to Play Store so we can find other app. Like okay, let's say it's a game, like you have a game app or any app at all, any app at all. So once you get to YouTube channel, then you can now search about that your app. Like let's say you have an app called Minecraft. All right, this is Minecraft. You can see this particular one, this particular person is searching for APK media file. All right, you can see there. And once you search about Minecraft, you're going to see that a lot of YouTube channel is talking about this Minecraft. And then if this Minecraft is your app, that means you're going
This
to make
video, I run
mod
a simulation.
installation. You understand? So this Minecraft actually paid some of these people for them to make this review
Today,
during the
my
time
friend Wudo.
they developed that particular app.
It's
Are you
never.
getting it right now? They actually paid these people for these people to make this review for them. All right, but right now you notice that Minecraft is now going very popular, and people started making use of it, like gaming niche. They started using it to run their YouTube video, right? So that is actually how they started their stuff. So you too, you can also do that same exact thing, all right? So let's talk about that same Gucci app that we talked about then. Let's say Gucci Jennifer, Gucci, uh-huh, let's say fans club, this kind of thing. You're going to see that all this kind of a thing, you see. So you can contact
Hey, Vanna.
any of these channel here. You can see this channel here. This channel has up to 33.3k subscribers and 107 videos, all right. And 2 months ago, this person made a video about Gucci speedometer echo room live performance 2 months ago, and the person was able to make up to 16k uh, views, all right. So what you just need to do is you contact this particular the person behind this channel, and then write to that person. Then how do you contact the owner of this particular YouTube channel? What you just need to do is you scroll down like this, and you're going to see about. You can see about at the upper side of this screen. You can see it here, about. Then you click on about, and then you scroll down here. This is this is the all information that you need to know. And the only way you can contact the person, you can contact this person on Instagram, on TikTok, and also via Gmail. Like you can see this. Okay, you can see that this is the Gmail here. You see. Okay. This person said, if you would like to be featured, send an email with a sample of your music to echoroom at std.com. So you can also email this person talking about your app, and the person is going to make a review of your app. And then you can email up to 10 per day, all right. Out of the 10, you're going to see that let's say 5 is going to ask you of money. Yeah, actually they are also going to ask you of money, but few of them, like about 3 channel, can do that willingly, all right. So people who are ready to help you, they are there, all right, waiting for you to come to them, all right. So imagine when you were able to make up to like 2 channel making a review of your app, and that person has up to this amount of subscribers. And let's say out of the 33.3 thousand people, like let's say 1k or 1.5k a kind of downloaded your app on Play Store, you're going to make huge amount of money using your ad mob. All right. So yeah, in fact, you're going to make much money. You understand? So you can continue doing that from time to time. And before you do this, make sure that your app is very, very good. Like the app is solving problems. Like your app can do something unique. All right. And before you do this, and those YouTube channel owners, they can make a review of your app. If they take a look at your app and your app is very nice to them, they are really ready to make the review, because the review is also going to bring views and ad revenue to their channel. All right, so just trying to do this. This is the only best way which you can promote your app and make more downloads. All right, so for some of you that would like to know more about Adstera, um I'm on a project right now. We're also going to drop a video on that very soon. I'm also going to drop a video on that, so you guys will make money along using your Astera, right? So thank you for watching today's tutorial, and make sure you hit that subscription button, and then you wait for the next video that's going to come your way. It's going to be a nice one. So thank you for watching today's tutorial.